Morning everyone, it's your maths class unit number 8, introduction to algebra for class 6. Okay, now we discuss introduction to algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics. In algebra we learn about constant, variable, coefficient, literal and algebraic expression. Is it clear? For example, 5 power x 3, 5 coefficient, x or any alphabet, it's called variable, exponent and power, both are same. Power, mostly we say power, or exponent. Power 2 it's called square, power 3 it's called cube, power 4, power 5, power 6. Okay, coefficient, variable, power and exponent all are included in algebra. It's called term. Okay, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Algebraic expression or term, constant, and arithmetic, a symbol which a fixed number value is called constant. For example, 12, 5, 7, fixed number are given, it's called constant. Variable, in algebra, a letter of the English alphabet, X, P, Z, Y, okay, Q, X, alphabet we use as a variable. Okay, in algebra a letter of the English alphabet, for example A, B, X, Q, Z, it's called variable. Coefficient, it's called coefficient. Coefficient, any factor or group of factors of a product is unknown as coefficient. Okay, like 5, for example 7, P or Q, 7 is a coefficient, 5 is a coefficient. So any factor or group of factors of a product is unknown as the coefficient. Clear? 5x, 5 is a coefficient. Literal, a literal is an unknown number represented by any alphabet. Suppose mostly we say 7 pen, sorry, not 7 pen, X pen, P pen, Q balls. So we don't know the value of pen or balls. So a literal is an unknown number or value. P, pen, Z, ball. So it's called literal. Algebraic expression, for example 5x square plus 7y cube plus 3xy, it's called algebraic expression. A combination of literal and variable connected by plus or minus sign. Okay, plus or minus sign, it's called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, combination of coefficient, literal, plus or minus sign, it's called algebraic expression. Literal, coefficient, variable, power. Okay, in algebraic expression all are include. Next topic, mathematical statement and open sentence. Okay, sentence are used to express ourselves in different language. Okay, in mathematics or in other language or in other subject, sentence are used to express ourselves. We have true sentence, false sentence. Sometimes we have sentence we don't know it's true or false. Okay, true sentence means right sentence. So we write, it means correct answer. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Okay, now check the answer, it's correct. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's true sentence, correct answer. After equal correct answer, it's a kind of true sentence. Suppose 5 plus 3 equal to 10. Now check your answer. 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct answer 8. But 10 is given. So it's not a true sentence. Correct answer. So it's false sentence. Okay, false sentence. Now open sentence are that sentence we don't know correct or not, right or not. Suppose example, 5 plus dash equal to 13. Okay, 5 plus dash equal to 13 will be true if we add, suppose 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. Okay, will be true if 8. It means over here if we have 8, so it's true, will be true, but over here correct answer not given. 5 plus dash equal to 13. So just check 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So after equal already 13 is given. So that type of sentence called open sentence will be true if over here 8 means 5 plus 8 equal to 13. If we put over here 8, so 5 plus 8 equal to 13. So will be true if over here 8. Same another example. Suppose 3 multiplied by 8 equal to dash. We don't know the answer of this part, this dash. So just check 8 3s are 24. Will be true if 24 is given. If over here we write 24, so will be true. It's true sentence. So true sentence correct answer, false sentence wrong answer given. Open sentence we don't know the answer or empty place. Okay, empty place given, so we don't know the number or in this space. It's called open sentence. In short, if we say a mathematical sentence that is either true or false, it's called sentence. Now we have two kinds of sentence, true sentence, false sentence. Or open sentence, a sentence whose incomplete information, like this, incomplete information, we don't know it's true or false, so that type of sentence called open sentence.